Right, we're going to show you how to turn both the tack unit and the drone on. This is the Teal Golden Eagle. So this battery is already on. It would be a press and a hold to turn the battery on. Turn the tablet on. That's the tablet starting up, so I can put that down. Full on procedure on the drone, so it's a press and a hold. We're all used to that. Lights go up to indicate it's going on. So I find the start up quite quick. It starts up very quickly and then you just swipe up. That's the drone just kicked in. Now the tablet, you don't need to try and remember any applications. It opens up straight away for you. It's finding the drone already and it's connecting to it as we speak. Now if we were having difficulty, we could press the red button and pair another, for example, but this process has already started, as you can hear. I want to do this in real time to give you an idea of how this how long it takes, so I'm sorry if this takes a little while. In the meantime, I'll show you some of the tack unit. These are your main controls to fly the drone.
Manual flight mode.
We have connection. I'll just talk you and let you see around the back. It's all very well ventilated. We have picture. Do you like my wallpaper? Let me just turn this round. Now underneath on the back we can swap between our Hadron Flower boson, so that's the boson. Let me show you some heat signature. That's my hands there. And then by pressing this top button,
Manual control lost.
by pressing this top button we can swap between the normal RGB. There's the Hadron again. Now the bottom back button you can swap between video and camera, so you can take pictures, and that's really it.